Welcome to our insightful journey into the world of decision-making through the lens of Stoic wisdom. In our fast-paced and constantly evolving lives, the ability to make sound and well-thought-out decisions is a crucial skill. Every day, we are confronted with choices that can profoundly impact our personal and professional trajectories. It's no wonder that decision-making is often a source of anxiety, stress, and regret. But what if I told you that there is a timeless philosophy that can offer you the tools and insights to make better decisions and lead a more purposeful life? That's where Stoicism comes in. 1. Understanding Stoic philosophy. The story of Stoicism begins with Zeno of Citium, a Greek philosopher who founded the school in Athens. Zeno's teachings revolved around the idea that virtue is the highest good and that the path to true happiness lies in living in harmony with nature. Over time, the philosophy evolved through the works of notable Stoic thinkers such as Epictetus, Seneca, and the aforementioned Marcus Aurelius, each contributing their unique perspectives and insights. Key Stoic principles relevant to decision-making. At the core of Stoicism are several key principles that directly impact our ability to make decisions. Understanding these principles is essential for harnessing the wisdom of Stoicism in your daily life. Wisdom. Stoics believe that wisdom is the chief virtue. It's about seeking a deeper understanding of the world and oneself. By cultivating wisdom, you gain the ability to make more informed and thoughtful decisions. Virtue, according to Stoicism, is the highest good. It includes qualities like courage, justice, wisdom, and self-discipline. Decision-making in accordance with virtue leads to a life well lived. Acceptance of what's beyond your control. One of the most fundamental Stoic teachings is the idea that we should focus our energy on what we can control and accept what's beyond our control. This concept, known as the Stoic dichotomy of control, has profound implications for how we approach decision-making. 2. The decision-making framework. Now that we have a foundational understanding of Stoicism, let's explore how this ancient philosophy offers a practical framework for making better decisions in your everyday life. Distinguishing between what you can control and what you cannot. One of the most liberating concepts in Stoicism is the idea of distinguishing between what is within your control and what is not. Often, our decisions are clouded by anxiety about things beyond our influence. By applying this Stoic principle, you can redirect your focus towards factors you can influence, leading to more effective and less stressful decision-making. Picture this: you're stuck in traffic on the way to an important meeting. The traffic jam is beyond your control, but your reaction to it isn't. You can choose to remain calm and use the time to prepare mentally or make necessary phone calls. This simple shift in perspective can make a world of difference in your decision-making and overall well-being. Evaluating options based on virtue and wisdom. In the Stoic framework, your decisions should be rooted in virtue and wisdom. When you're faced with choices, consider how each option aligns with your core values and principles. For instance, if you're deciding whether to engage in a potentially unethical business deal, Stoicism would encourage you to weigh the decision against your values of honesty and integrity. By making decisions in accordance with virtue, you not only uphold your moral compass but also lead a more meaningful and fulfilling life. Making decisions aligned with your values and principles. Stoicism teaches us to live in harmony with nature and our true selves. When you make decisions that are aligned with your core values and principles, you're not only honoring your own authenticity but also finding a deeper sense of purpose and contentment. You are living in accordance with the Stoic ideal of a life well lived, where virtue and wisdom guide your choices. By embracing this Stoic framework, you can transform the way you make decisions, ensuring that they are not driven by fleeting emotions or external pressures but rather by your own deeply held values and principles. 3. Practical applications of Stoic wisdom. Now, let's bring these philosophical concepts into the practical realm. How can you apply Stoic wisdom to your everyday decision-making processes? Real-life examples: Stoic decision-making in action. To better grasp the practicality of Stoic philosophy, we will explore real-life examples of how Stoicism can be applied to decision-making. You'll see how individuals from various walks of life have successfully used Stoic principles to navigate complex choices. From leaders facing high-stakes decisions to individuals grappling with personal dilemmas, these stories will illustrate the versatility and efficacy of Stoicism in real-world scenarios. Imagine a corporate executive who must decide whether to lay off employees to save the company. Stoicism teaches us to consider what is within our control and focus on making decisions aligned with virtue. In this case, the executive may prioritize the welfare of their employees, demonstrating courage and compassion in their choice. Incorporating Stoic wisdom into daily life. Stoicism is not a philosophy reserved for occasional reflection. It is a way of life that can be seamlessly integrated into your daily routines. We will provide practical tips and techniques for incorporating Stoic wisdom into your everyday life. From morning routines that set a Stoic tone for the day to evening reflections that reinforce your commitment to virtue, you'll learn how to infuse Stoicism into your daily rituals. We'll discuss the benefits of regular Stoic practices, including journaling, meditation, and gratitude exercises, to strengthen your decision-making abilities and cultivate resilience in the face of adversity. By making Stoicism a consistent part of your life, you can build the mental and emotional fortitude needed to make better choices in the long run. The benefits of Stoic decision-making. It's essential to understand the tangible benefits of incorporating Stoic wisdom into your decision-making process. We'll delve into how adopting Stoic principles can lead to improved well-being, reduced stress, and more fulfilling relationships. By making decisions aligned with your core values and virtue, you'll experience a profound sense of purpose and inner peace. Moreover, we'll explore how Stoicism can empower you to approach challenges with a sense of equanimity. When you make decisions with a Stoic mindset, you're better equipped to handle setbacks, rejections, and unexpected outcomes. You'll learn to embrace adversity as an opportunity for growth and learning, ultimately improving your decision-making under pressure. 4. Common pitfalls to avoid in Stoic decision-making. As we delve deeper into the realm of Stoic decision-making, it's important to be aware of the common pitfalls and obstacles that can hinder our progress. Stoicism offers a powerful framework for better decision-making, but like any philosophy, it's not immune to challenges. In this section, we'll discuss these common pitfalls and how Stoic wisdom can help you navigate them successfully. 1. Emotional impulsivity. One of the primary pitfalls in decision-making is emotional impulsivity. In moments of intense emotions such as anger, fear, or excitement, our judgment can become clouded. This often leads to impulsive and regrettable decisions. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of maintaining emotional discipline. By practicing emotional detachment and mindfulness, you can prevent rash decisions driven by fleeting feelings. We will explore practical techniques for pausing and reflecting before making a choice, ensuring it aligns with your values and virtues. 2. Overthinking and paralysis. On the opposite end of the spectrum, we often find ourselves paralyzed by indecision due to overthinking. Constantly ruminating on potential outcomes and consequences can lead to analysis paralysis. Stoicism encourages us to strike a balance between rational reflection and action. By recognizing that we can't control every aspect of the future, we can overcome the fear of making the wrong choice. We'll discuss how Stoic principles, like focusing on what's within your control, can liberate you from the chains of overthinking and empower you to make decisions confidently. 3. External validation and social pressure. A common pitfall in decision-making is seeking external validation and succumbing to social pressures. Many of our choices are influenced by what others expect or desire for us. Stoicism urges us to be self-reliant and base our decisions on our own principles and values. By embracing this Stoic ideal, you can avoid the trap of making choices solely for the approval or praise of others. We'll provide practical insights into how to assert your autonomy and remain true to your inner compass. 4. Attachment to outcomes. Another pitfall that can hinder our decision-making process is an excessive attachment to specific outcomes. This attachment can lead to disappointment and frustration if things don't go as planned. Stoicism teaches us to focus on our efforts and intentions rather than fixating on results. By adopting this Stoic mindset, you can make decisions without the crippling fear of failure or the relentless pursuit of success. We'll explore how letting go of attachment to outcomes can bring greater peace and resilience in your decision-making journey. 5. Lack of self-reflection and growth. In decision-making, it's easy to fall into a routine and make choices without much reflection. Stoicism encourages continuous self-examination and growth. Avoiding this pitfall means being open to learning from your decisions, whether they lead to success or failure. We'll discuss the importance of journaling, self-reflection, and embracing every decision as an opportunity for personal development. Stoic wisdom teaches us that even in our missteps, there are valuable lessons to be gained. Remember, Stoicism is not just a philosophical concept, it's a way of life. By embracing the Stoic framework for decision-making, you have the opportunity to cultivate wisdom, virtue, and resilience in your daily choices. It's a journey of self-discovery and personal growth that can lead to a more meaningful, authentic, and fulfilling life. We encourage you to put these principles into practice, to journal, reflect, and engage in the exercises we've discussed. By doing so, you will steadily refine your decision-making skills and embody the wisdom of the Stoics. If you found this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more thought-provoking content on a wide range of topics. We're always eager to hear your thoughts and suggestions, so please leave your feedback in the comments below. Thank you once again for joining us, and we look forward to embarking on more enlightening journeys with you in the future. Until then, remember the words of Marcus Aurelius, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." So, choose your thoughts wisely and make each decision count. Goodbye. And may Stoic wisdom be your trusted companion on your path to a life well lived.